These directions simplify a complex process because they take you through it step by step. You can find the graphic organizer in the learning module for this session. To get explicit directions on how to navigate this course, how to download the graphic organizer, and upload your assignment, please review the instructional video for Session 2. Click on the Learning Modules for the course website. To be more fair, I'm having 2 people besides myself evaluate each final paper with peer reviews. For this assignment, you will see a name in each column. I have used letters here as an illustration. For this illustration, we will use Student A. Student A appears as the first reviewer for Student L and the second reviewer for Student K. Student A's paper will be evaluated by students L and B on the line next to Student A's name. The first part of Step 8 determines whether or not the student whose paper you are assessing has done the right assignment. Since K has no teaching experience, the student should do the interview as indicated in the syllabus, while L, who has been teaching a year, will do an analysis of his or her growth in the profession. The maximum score on content is 2, with 1/4 of a point each for organization and use of language. As usual, conventions rate 20% of the total score. Put your grades in the total score row and tally all qualities for a maximum of 3 points. You will be entering a score with a maximum of 3 on the Excel sheet. In this Excel chart, each student has a class number. 100 corresponds to Student A, our example. As the first reviewer for Student L, A enters a grade from 1 through 30 in the Reviewer 1 cell highlighted in red on the line with Student A's class number. Then Student A grades Student K's paper on the same line with the class number under the column headed Reviewer 2 in the cell highlighted in red. Once you have entered scores in the Excel sheet on the line next to your class number, post the sheet in the assignment area for Session 14. No one else will see your peer grades, but if they differ from mine by more than 10%, they will be considered invalid.